Hello, all. My name is Mithila. I'm a mother of a 4-year-old boy who is overcoming a speech delay like a champ, and I'm also a practicing physiotherapist. The kind of speech delay that my son has is called a motor planning disorder, kind of a language delay where he's not able to coordinate his tongue, lips, and a jaw in a coordinated fashion to produce effective speech. But that in coordination is also reflected in his ability to use his hands to produce fine motor activities and activities of daily living where he needs a lot of coordination. So he has been undergoing occupational therapy and speech therapy since past 2 years. But when this COVID pandemic started and the lockdown started, his physical sessions did stop. And he was just not ready to cooperate and sit down for online guided sessions. So I was doing his sessions for OT and speech by myself at home with the little guidance. But for that only, I started searching online. That's when I came across Reena ma'am's YouTube channel where she explains very well all the concepts. And as a therapist, I liked her so much the way she explained the concepts. So when I read an announcement about this recent oral motor boost class, I immediately enrolled myself for it because feeding was an area which was very difficult for me as a mother. My son would take approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour for each meal, and he would only eat soft foods, only khichdi if it is very overcooked, and nothing crunchy, nothing solid. Even if he's eating roti, he would eat with if it is soaked in dal or milk. And apart from that, he would not eat. And also, it would take a long, long time to feed him, and he would do it only if he's sitting in front of a TV or iPad, which is very harmful to his eyes and his neurological development. I know, but it was taking toss on his nutrition, so I had no other option. So I enrolled for this workshop, and the result that happened was just not something that I was hoping to. They were much more than I was hoping. So within 3 to 4 days of implementing the exercises, my son started chewing the food. So I slowly started introducing him food that were of harder consistency. He was comfortable with that. After 1 to 2 weeks of applying the exercises taught by Reena ma'am, he started self feeding with his hands. He's still not able to use the spoon effectively though. Then uh, and these were the results, and I and my husband was very happy to see the way he was saying. And now, instead of watching TV, there is an exercise where ma'am teaches a bonding exercise which creates a bonding between mother and her child. So instead of wanting to watch TV to feel entertained while eating food, my son preferred to play games with me while eating, and that was a very nice thing for me. So we play games now, like finding five different purple color things, naming five different red color things while eating the food in our house. So and the food sessions do not long for more than 20 minutes, and since he wants to play more, he would ask for more food. So and he started it, and now he has started eating a variety of foods which are rich in fibers. Constipation was also a big problem for us, so now he feeds himself. Eating sessions are less, his screen time has considerably reduced. He plays with me to entertain himself over any other thing. And moreover, when we visited our pediatrician for his vaccination, he gave us a biggest compliment. He said that my son's weight is perfect. The word perfect was never used for him when it came to his weight. He said his weight is perfect and his speech has improved so much. And I was not paying attention to his speech because he was progressing slowly and steadily. All I was concerned was his eating. Then I realized that he is able to say difficult words like switch, exercise, and other things. So earlier, before we implemented exercises, if he wanted a fan, he would say, "I fan." That's all. But now he says that, "I please switch on the fan," and that made us, and that has made us very happy, very very happy. So and as a physiotherapist, I was not at all aware about this work called primitive reflex integration, which Reena ma'am has a mastery on this subject, and she has implemented it on successfully on so many children that the results are very sure, very definite, and very quick. So I think that was the exact thing my son needed, along with the conventional occupational therapy. And I'm so thankful that I found it online due to this COVID pandemic. And I'm so thankful to Reena ma'am. The way she teaches is so well. I guess all the mothers, all our parents who have children having any developmental delay, we blame ourselves in some part, I guess in bigger part of our hearts, that we have not done enough. So our goal is to do more than what we are able to do, so that our child is being helped. But ma'am teaches in our first class itself that less is more. So whatever your son child is able to take happily with great cooperation, that much only you apply. And I followed that. So that has taken away that feeling of guilt, and I'm so satisfied, calm, and composed in with me myself, that I'm doing enough to help my child. So I don't have feeling that I'm not doing enough anymore, thanks to Reena ma'am. And more than anything, I enjoy my son's company. So, and few more progresses I would like to share after this, after doing this course and implementing the exercises, is that my son was not at all sitting at one place. He was not able to hold the pencil. Not that I was very concerned about his academic or writing, uh, but by himself he started holding a crayon and pencil with a perfect tripod grasp, and now just scribbling he is able to write letters, and he is able to draw shapes that he like and color by himself, and he engages in these activities instead of watching this screen, or instead of just throwing things around just to entertain himself. uh, he plays by himself. The quality of play that he does has improved a lot. So thank you so much, Rina ma'am, for teaching it so well. Parenting is very difficult for everyone, and if you have a child who has a developmental block, it is even more difficult. But I think not just people having a children with developmental block, I think everybody needs a counselor and a parenting advisor like Reena ma'am along the journey of parenting. So thank you so much, Reena ma'am, for all the guidance that you have given. I cannot. I'm looking forward to do another workshop to manage my child's behavior well, managing behavior workshops. So I'm. I mean, I have no words to thank you enough. Thank you so much.